The Dumont Siblings by Melissa U. Canha. We know Dumont loved to swim and catch fish. In the river of Lamugan, there were 3 Dumont siblings. Manoy, Dandan, the eldest. Kuya, Dondon, the middle brother. And then, the youngest sister. They love to play, dive, swim, and eat fish in the river.
Let's play to the graph. Yes, faster, faster, splash, splash.
But while they were busy playing, they did not realize that Dandan was left behind.
Help! My foot is stuck in the mangrove roots. Oh no! Help!
Dandan growled and cried. Snip, snip. Manoy, Dandan, and Kuya Dondon heard her and hurried on.
Oh no! Dandan, are you okay? Don't worry, we'll help you.
Sorry, brother. You left me behind because you were having fun.
We're so sorry too, Dandan. We get so excited playing that we forget you. We want to leave you alone again.
It's okay, Manoy and Kuya. I'm glad you came back.
From now on, we will always stay by your side.
Yay!
And so, siblings learn to watch out for each other and have fun together safely. The moral of the story: as family, protect each other, take care, help, and guide the little brother or sister. This is story for kindergarten to grade 2. The Dumont Siblings.